Good day. Let me introduce you to our clay, brick and tile making production line. This is very basic and actually a really simplistic production line, but it is based on proven and reliable solutions. So this production line is revolving around semi-dry clay making technology, which means you have to have a very dry clay. This clay with moisture content of around possibly 6 or 8% shall be collected somewhere, and after collection it shall go to conveyor belt number one. This conveyor belt transports it to clay star grinder. Clay star grinder grinds clay, and after grinding process we have like powder like substance. So this powder is transported using conveyor belt number 2 directly into this bin of the pressing machine. In this case you can see Titan 80D pressing machine. Titan 80D pressing machine is even if it is not big, but it has a very short recycling time, and due to this it has a very big capacity for such a relatively small machine, because in case we're talking about bricks, it can produce bricks with a recycling time of around 5 or 6 seconds only. In case we're talking about tiles, thin tiles like 15 with a thickness of 15 or 18 millimeters, it can produce 2 tiles per 1 cycle, and the recycling time can be decreased down to 4 seconds or something like this. So after compression it can be directly stacked into some transportation pallet or to some other place. And in case we're talking about clay as a main raw material, so it must be burned. So after burning you will have a very strong and very good looking bricks or tiles with very precise geometrical shape, and produced according to really good tolerance. So let me give you some more insights. In case we're talking about electrical consumption, electricity consumption, I can tell you that roughly it can be somewhere close to 5 kilowatts of installed power for conveyor belt number 1. It will be somewhere close to 49 kilowatts for clay star grinder, around 5 kilowatts for conveyor belt number 2, and around 18 kilowatts for pressing machine. This pressing machine, due to some energy savings solutions, even if it has 18 kilowatts of installed electrical power, in real life it consumes only from 30 to 40% from this. So we are talking about somewhere close to 7 to 8 kilowatt hours of consumption. In case we're talking about other parts, as for consumption, roughly it can be divided by 2, around 2.5 kilowatts for each of containers, and around 25 kilowatts possibly for this crusher, because it's not fully loaded each time, so load depends on raw materials and stuff like that. Let me also just give you a quick glance of some other things. So all in all, this is very simple production line, but main pressing machine is fully automatic. It can be equipped with the automatic stacker. And what is really important is that this machine, even if it is small, it is controlled by Siemens PLC, and we are using our special software which controls height, automatically controls height, and due to this height, which is the most important parameter for tiles, for example, can be controlled automatically. In case we are talking about like production capacity, as I've already mentioned, it's around 5 to 6 seconds per one brick, so we can just talk about 500 to 600 bricks per 1 hour. This is real production capacity of this machine. And in case we're talking about tiles, it can produce 2 tiles per one cycle, and recycling time in this case is a bit short. As I've already mentioned, it is around 4 seconds, and due to this, like production capacity is well above 1000 pieces per hour. What is also important is that quality, compression quality is extraordinary, because for in case you need a very high quality product, you shall be using not really big machine because of some problems related to materials feeding. That's why we highly recommend you like installation of several machines in one line, and I also wanted to mention that this grinder can produce raw materials for up to 4-5 machines like Titan ATD, but unfortunately it cannot be scaled down easily because of some technical limitations. So that's why this grinder is a bit big for this machine, but in case you want to expand your manufacturing facility, it can be done very easily. So this one grinder can be used altogether with like 4 or 5 machines, or even bigger number of machines. In this case, we will be using a special distribution conveyor. Okay, so all in all, I tried to introduce you to this technology, and I really hope that my introduction was helpful. So see you next time. Have a good day and goodbye.